If you want to upload images in Claude AI, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple and fast way. Uploading images lets you ask Claude to describe a photo, identify what is shown, analyze a screenshot, or help you understand visual content much more easily. So if you work with images, documents, screenshots, or design ideas, this is a really useful feature to know. And before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Claude AI in your browser and make sure you are signed into your account. Once Claude is open, start a new chat or open any existing conversation where you want to upload your image. Now, look near the message box at the bottom of the screen. You should see a plus button right next to where you type your message. This is the button you'll use to attach files or photos. Click that plus button and a menu will appear. From the options shown, choose Add Files or Photos. This tells Claude that you want to upload an image from your device. After that, your computer's file picker will open. Now browse through your folders and select the image you want to use. Once you've found the image, click Open to upload it into the chat. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the image directly into the chat window. Just grab the image file from your desktop or folder and drop it into Claude. This is often the quickest method if you already have the image ready on your screen. After the image uploads, you'll usually see it appear in the chat before you send your message. Now comes the important part. Typing your prompt. Claude works best when you clearly tell it what you want it to do with the image. For example, you can type, describe this image, or you could ask, what is shown in this photo? You can also be more specific, like, summarize the text in this screenshot, or explain what is happening in this picture. The more direct your prompt is, the better Claude can help. Once your image is attached and your prompt is ready, press enter to send it to Claude. Claude will then process the image and respond based on what it sees and what you asked it to do. In just a few seconds, you can get a description, explanation, summary, or helpful insight from the image you uploaded. That's really all there is to it. Open Claude, click the plus button, choose Add Files or Photos, select your image, type your prompt, and press enter. It's a simple process, but once you know it, you can use Claude AI much more effectively for image analysis and visual questions. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy AI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.